Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to withdraw your USDT to your bank account from Binance. I will provide a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow my steps carefully. The first thing you need to do is go to the trade section and tap on P2P. Here tap on the filters at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, type the amount you want to withdraw and then choose the payment method. Once you have done that, go back and tap on sell. Here you need to find a buyer with good ratings. I will select this one, then tap on place order. Now you need to wait for the buyer to send the money to your bank account. Once you confirm that they have sent the money, you can release the payment by tapping on payment received and selecting I have received the exact amount. It is that easy. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.